go. I ate spaghetti in my corner. Why? I'm bored. What should we do? I don't know. Don't ask me. Last time on Object Airport. The episode began with a very good beginning. 15 competitors will have to face on a balance beam and don't fall. The last 15 to fall would be the official contestants. These are the contestants who got in, and these are the contestants who got out. The contestants has arrived to the first day of the actual competition. Who will be the first one out? Find out now at Object Airport. Gasbog! What now? You got my boyfriend out! It's Snoop, isn't it? Flashback. Smash. Ah! I hope you're the first one out. Wanna form an alliance? Of course. Hey Pan. 3 hours later. Is everybody here? Someone's not here. But I don't know who. It's unidentified flying object. Since UFO is nowhere to be seen, then she is disqualified. The next part is to get hit by as much raindrops as you can. The 5 contestants with the least raindrops will be up for elimination. That seems easy. I spoke too soon, didn't I? 3, 2, 1, go! Good thing that I'm almost nothing. Just gotta find AC in this maze. I'm stuck. Pop. Come on, get up. Ow. I'll just quit. I won't even win at this point. Pop. I'm still stuck. So, how's your day? Good thing that I'm not heavy. Pancake is disqualified for exiting the maze. Pop. I've been walking for like hours, and I haven't found another spot. Pop. 5 minutes remaining. I just need to find a spot. Oh, there's a spot. I need to win. Time's up. That means the challenge has ended. Got any 7? No. Pop. Welcome to the elimination, you 5. Anyways, this time we got 4 safe votes. AC and Jetpack got 1 vote, while Rubik's Cube got 2. Time for the eliminate vote. Pancake got 0, UFO got 0, Pan got 1, Roblox got 3, and Smear got 11 votes. Smear is the first contestant eliminated.